Anybody wey invent cucumber stew suppose receive award from online in-laws. Guys, I'm trying the cucumber stew for the first time. As you know your girl now, I love to try new things. So I've already washed my meat. I go in with the onions and then I add my spices. I'm just going to give it a little bit of stir and then cover it to steam. Honestly, if it's something never happen to you for this life, you no go get sense. The way tomato dey cost for market, you will see one small penta of tomato, they'll tell you 14,000, 15,000 naira. Anybody that invented this cucumber stew need to receive award, honestly. So guys, as you can see, I'm peeling off the back of the cucumber because it's not needed on this recipe. So I peel it off and then take off the seed. But this my cucumber, e be like say e no go get seed inside. You know they like that Nigerian cucumber. I was so eager to try this stew. While I was peeling this, I was like, how is this going to taste? I hope say I no go spoil my condiment wey I go use prepare this stew, you know. I was just worried about the things I'm going to use to make this stew. I was like, I hope it's going to come out nice. So once I'm done peeling it off, I'm going to take off the seed, if it has seed inside, and then I'm going to blend it. So once I'm done peeling this cucumber, I'm going to cut it into two, take off the seed, and then cut it into smaller sizes. Use my blender to blend it very smoothly. From what I can see here, my cucumber don't have seed on it. So what I'm going to do, I'll just cut it into smaller sizes and then blend them very smooth. The cucumber was so nice, I couldn't resist it. I was eating it while cutting it. So next, I'm just going to wash the cucumber off the camera and then use my blender to blend it very smooth. So guys, next I want to blend the cucumber. I'm just going to transfer all the cucumber into the blender and then I'll blend it. On this process, you don't need to add water on the blender since the cucumber itself now water it be. So I'll just blend it without adding water on it. But if it's going to spoil your blender, blend it bit by bit because I'm thinking I added too much cucumber on the blender. So if you notice, I've changed my blender. I bought new blender. The other one disappointed me. So I bought this one. It came with 2 smoothie jar and a grinder, which I really love so much. So guys, once I done blending this thing, next I'm going to sieve it out, separating the water and the chaff. On this process, I was like, why separating the water and the chaff? That shebi na the water they go use cook the thing. But since I watched it online, I said, okay, let me follow the process where the person do. So I come sieve them out with my sieve. So this point, you can use the kind of filter you have to separate the water and the chaff. So when I come dey separate them, it can't be like saying also water there for the cucumber. No come dey see any chaff on it. What came out from that 3 big cucumber was really, really small. So I had to go back to the shop and I bought more cucumber. So it was really, really tiny. So I bought more cucumber. Next, I'll just keep it aside. I'm not going to waste my water. I went back to my meat. The meat is ready. Next, I'm just going to stir it a little bit and then remove the meat from the pot. As I dey like to eat dry meat, I go dry the meat. So for the stew, I'm going to be using my coconut oil. You can use sunflower oil, groundnut oil, olive oil, whichever oil you have. Even though you have palm oil, you can still use it. So I added onions in the pot, stir it a little bit. Next, I added my bay leaf because I want anything wey go make this stew to taste nice. Oh, I don't know, don't want to be cucumber stew. Next, I went in with my tin tomato. This is Delica. I hope I pronounced that name very well. Delica tomato. So I added it in the pot, stir it. The lady said fry it until the slapping those bas go reduce from the tomato. So you can see I was stirring it, frying the tomato until it get to the point I think maybe it's ready. And then I started adding my ingredients bit by bit. So next, this is the point we all have been waiting for. As you can see, I'm adding the cucumber. I went in with my crayfish, my pepper, my spices, all the gbogbo tigbo wey go make this stew taste nice is being added on the pot right now. So I stir it and I left it for about 2 minutes, and then I started adding all the leftover ingredients. So while this was going on, I'd already parboil rice, keep and jeje the weight. Next, I'm adding the water I got from the meat, after which I'm going to be adding my cucumber water. Remember, I said I'm not going to waste that water because I feel like that water is the really the cocoa for this recipe. So I added the cucumber water on it, and then I covered the pot, allow it to boil for about 10 minutes. After which I opened the pot, stir it a little bit, and then I went in with my dry meat because I want that meat to be succulent. I can't add the meat inside the pot, give am a little bit of stir, and then I cover and make it boil. Oh, as you can see, the stew don dey come together. E really look nice, but I never taste am. So guys, after 5 minutes, I stirred it again, and then I added my dry fish. You know, I love to eat dry fish. I say, make I test this thing, make I see how e dey. When I tested the stew, I say, e be like say this thing go fine no. Anyway, I can't go bring my rice wey I don dey save since. I say time don reach. I dey wait for this time to test this cucumber stew. May I see how e go dey. On the other hand, I say, shebi I no go waste my ingredients. So I just take small stew, add am for the rice, and I say, make I add meat too. I can't add meat. This is the time we all have been waiting for, the testing part of it. So I tested the rice. It was like, oh my gosh. This is one of the best stew I have ever tasted. It's sweet past fruit tomato. Will I be trying this again? This is my new trend. Whenever I want to make stew, na cucumber stew I go make. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. See you all on my next one. Bye.